Well, hello, beautiful friends. Have you guys ever thought about decorating your fence? Come along with us today and we're going to glam up our fence and our window boxes. We are going to put some garland on the fences and we're going to repot up the window boxes. And by the end of this, take these tips and find a little space in your yard. Let your fall passion shine. So last fall, I bought these baskets and they were like 75 or 90% off. They had these little inserts in them. I cut the insert out and I put dirt in it and planted my summer flowers in it. Now what I want to do is take the dirt out and reinsert this.
Where'd you get the baskets?
The baskets were from Big Lots.
Okay.
Yeah.
Woo!
All right, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to line the fence with this garland, Hobby Lobby. I think they ended up being about $6 after the 40% off. We're just going to put them on a hook and a hook. That's it. Okay, I think we're ready to hang. I took the baskets off, poured the dirt out. Now we're gonna hang them and put the flowers in. Zip ties. Zip ties are my friend. So I got 2 uses out of this basket. I was able to put my spring tulips in it and my summer petunias. Now I'm putting my fall and I'll be able to put my Christmas in it as well.
We put the baskets on. The leaf garland is all on. One last thing for the fence line are these little flags. They're all different. We got them on Amazon. So we're gonna put these on and then we'll show you the finished product.
All right, our last item is to put some corn stalks up. Just got jute twine. Oops. Well, this is going to be an easy project. So I have a window box that I put my bubblegum petunias in, boxwood, and we're just going to pull the petunias out, put a mum in. Right, Mom? Okay, I like to use a little artificial flowers. So we're just gonna put these sunflowers that my friend Rex brought to me last night while I was out working in the yard. He's a neighbor down the street and I thought it was so sweet. So I definitely wanna show him that I'm using his gifts that he gave me. Real easy, just pop them in. You know, don't think too much about it. Okay, and I'm a little extra, so for all you extra fans out there, we're gonna hang a wreath. I got these little suction cups off Amazon. I like to wet it a little.
I use those suction cups at my house too for my Christmas wreaths.
Yeah, they're
So
amazing.
easy. And they stay.
Yeah.
There's no issues.
Yeah, got this last year for 75% off.
It's so pretty. It matches the ones on the front door so well too.
I got these pumpkins at a little sale last year for like $5 for all 3 of them. I got them level middle of the fountain, and then the other 2 are centered with the window boxes. Okay, it's been a very hot, steamy day. It's been almost 90, but I got one more thing I got to get done, and I want to change out my little clay pots. This will be an easy breezy job as well. I want to just pull out each individual one and see what looks good and what doesn't, and the things that don't look good we're going to replace with a mum. This one I'm going to leave because I like the purple. I think it's cute. We're going to leave the coleus because coleus, you can never go wrong with coleus. I mean, it's a workhorse for sure. And this one looks a little crazy, so I'm going to just come in, clip that chunk off, and that'll be another one that we use. Maybe. And this is looking really tired, so it's going. I want to remove the whole basket, do a little cleanup job. Replace it. We're going to grab our mum. Pop it in there. A little bit of dirt. Take our purple guy. Put him back up there. Coleus.
Those baskets, where'd you find those baskets? They just fit there perfectly? Did you just come upon those?
Yeah, I remember. These are from a yard sale.
Those are amazing, perfectly fit.
Purple. And these are the clay pots that came out of the carriage house. When we were cleaning out the 180-year-old carriage house, these clay pots were down underneath dirt. So they're old. Okay, so one more. The vine looked pretty, so I'm going to leave that. I'm going to take a little bit of this old dirt out. Maybe. Pop that vine back in, you guys, because it's got a good root system. And I think I'll do an orangey color in this one. Three more to go. And then Nikki thought we should add a few pumpkins, and I think that's a great idea. Real easy. We're just popping one in here and popping one right like that. liked our content, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you don't miss our upcoming fall decor. We have another really fun project, and I want to take you on a complete fall garden tour. Thank you so much for watching.